Nimish is now standing by with what he's picking up from dealing rooms and what's the chatter like. Nimish, afternoon.
Hi, Prashant. Afternoon. So, to me, it looks like a powerful short covering rally. If you look at the top 7, 8, or 10 F&O stocks, there seems to be a bit of an short covering element in all the movers today. For example, one of those, a lot of the metal names and all are buzzing in trade, but no specific reason. It looks like more of a short covering rally. There is a bit of buying as well from domestic mutual funds. So maybe that the DI number may look a bit sizable today. Is the overall feedback. From sector perspective, Pharma is doing good today. Of course, there is a bit of a relief rally and a short covering rally as well in anticipation of some relief for the Indian pharma companies. So that's buzzing. And also metal, as I said, there is a bit of buying as well, but a bit of short covering element as well in that particular space. So, large part of this rally, Prashant, looks to me like a short covering pullback. 50 on a technical level, 25-200 is the next level to watch out for. If that gets taken on the upside, you will potentially see further short covering rally. And remember, the FIs are still net short, almost 93%. So there is that cushion of FI short covering which can further happen. But today's large part of the rally seems to be aggressive short covering in most of those F&O names.
Okay, aggressive short covering is the feedback behind this move. In terms of individual names, Nimish, what's on your list today?
Well, a lot of stocks are buzzing. In fact, the broader market also seems to be participating in today's rally. Couple of stocks which stands out for me today, SpiceJet and Dynamic Technologies. Both are buzzing after potential clean-out trades. In SpiceJet, I understand one of the leading wealth fund was a seller and they've completely sold out today. And hence you're seeing a big move of 15%. Even in Dynamic Technologies, it was part of my list a couple of days back as well. PE was a seller there. Looks like that's cleaned out today. And in Dynamics, I understand one domestic mutual fund was a buyer in today's block. So disclosures could be quite interesting in that stock as well. Even that is buzzing up 13%. Inox Mini is the other stock on my list. Again, up 5% in today's market. A bit of short covering element to it as well. But I also understand one of the domestic PMS has been active buyer in Inox Mini of late. The third, a couple of real estate names which are not buzzing, so to speak, but there is some signs of delivery-based buying happening now. Soloda and Godrej Properties. Not big moves like what we saw in Prestige, but at least there is some signs of delivery-based buying happening now there. And the last one is Adani Power. Again, buzzing on back of very high volumes. Even there, I understand there was a block trade and a domestic mutual fund was a buyer in that block. So that's the reason why even Adani Power is up 3% in today's market.
Interesting list. As always, Nimish, thank you very much for that. So that's D Street Chatter.